Hey guys, welcome to another video from Trending Reviews. So I've just picked up the Galaxy S9 Plus and I'm going to give you a quick unboxing. I've just got the package today and it's still in its wrapping, so let me go ahead and take that off. Right, so let's go ahead and look what's inside. It's got the SIM card tray opener just at the back there. You've got your user guide, quick start guide inside. Come back to that and take this out. I've been using the Google Pixel 2 for a while now, and having a look at this, it's made me realize how much I missed the design for the Samsung Galaxy phones, specifically my S8. So looking at the S9, I can see it's got almost a very similar design as the S8. Obviously the fingerprint scanner's right there in the middle in prime location now. Let's go ahead and see what else is in the box. So you have your plug. You've got your USB connector to transfer all of your apps, data, contacts, all that kind of stuff from any other Android phone that takes USB Type-C. You also have a USB Type-B to Type-C adapter here. Let's see what else we got in here. We've got the USB data cable and charging cable here. We've got some pretty cool AKG headphones. I'm going to be doing a review on these specifically as well, so make sure to subscribe to keep an eye out for that one. And you've got some extra earbuds as well for the headphones as well, in case you lose them. So that's pretty much everything you get inside the box. I'm going to be giving you a full review on the Samsung S9, in specifically the camera quality, so make sure you subscribe and keep an eye out for that. I'm just going to go ahead and do the peeling of the back and front protectors here, which is some of my favorite parts of the unboxing a new phone. Go ahead and do that. You can see it looks pretty awesome. Compared to the previous S8, I can see that the sides don't have sort of that metallic reflection. It has more of a matte finish, which I think is pretty cool. The design is pretty much the same as the S8 Plus. I've got the S9 Plus here. I'm going to be trying it out for the next couple of days, and I'm going to give you guys a review of how that's gone. If you've got any questions on the S9 Plus or anything in terms of its accessories, then do drop me a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Keep an eye out for my reviews for the S9 Plus camera quality, comparisons with my Google Pixel 2 and so on. And I'll also be doing a review on these headphones, so keep an eye out for that as well. I hope you liked the unboxing, guys. I will catch you guys very soon, and if you did like the video, give it a thumbs up.